This isn't just sportswear, this is your armor. From the gym to the cold, every move matters. A gym bra that rocks in comfort while you crush your limits. Leggings that flex free and never quit on you. And the basketball uniforms built for speed, strength, and style. This is where performance meets passion, where design meets determination. Whether you are lifting, running, or scoring, but that winning point, your outfit isn't just clothing, it's your statement on the look, on the game. Because when you feel unstoppable, you live unstoppable.